Hello! Now that this worldwide COVID pandemic has calmed down a little bit, you can come back to Turkey, to Istanbul, to get your surgeries. And because we haven't explained yet the steps in order for you to get an obesity surgery, well, that will be our topic of today. So everything starts by your online consultation. In fact, we always share our phone number at the end of our videos. So it permits you to contact us by WhatsApp, and once you contacted us, first we will send you a list of questions that you will have to answer, and it will permit us to know your BMI, to know if you have disease related or not to overweight, if you have allergies, so on and so forth. Then we will determine which type of obesity surgery suits your profile the best. Well, keep in mind that you should contact us at least 2 to 3 weeks before the expected date you want to come, in order for us to make sure there are availabilities and just to permit us to arrange everything for you here. So once you decided to do your operation with us, with Dr. Jan Aesthetic, well, we will help you to find the cheapest flight tickets, and after you just have nothing to worry about. We arrange everything for you here. We book your hotel room in a 5-star hotel. We arrange all the appointments with the doctor. We arrange all the transfer from airport to hotel, hotel to hospital, so on and so forth. Then once you arrive in Istanbul, and on the next day of your arrival, you will go to the hospital to see the doctor and do your final consultation. We will run some tests, and if everything is right, well, the next day again we will finally do your operation. Also, if you have any question during your final consultation, do not worry about the language, as we work with people speaking English, French, Italian, German, Arabic, Spanish, etc. So let's say now that you have undergone your surgery, in the first times you will have to stay at the hospital, and the nurses will help you to do very small efforts in order for you to adapt to the changes in your body. So most likely you will have to walk a lot and stand up. So very small efforts like this, but very quickly, don't worry, you will just be able to go back to the hotel and rest. So in general, we recommend our patients to stay 5 days, including 4 nights. Everything is included in the price of the operation, of course, so don't worry about that. But in general, our patients prefer to stay about 7 to 10 days, just to make sure everything goes as smooth as it can go. Finally, now, for people who are scared of possible complications, well, do not worry, because even if it's a major surgery, there is usually no complication at all. And if it had to happen, well, it will most likely happen during the first 2 days after the operation, which means that you will still be in Turkey, in Istanbul, and which means that we will just directly bring you back to the hospital and take care of you. After, if there is anything happening once you're back in your country, if you have any concern, well, do not worry, because you will always be in contact with us 24/7, and you will have a nutritional and psychological support, so we will always be able to provide you all the recommendations and advice you need. So that's basically the whole trip you will have to go through if you seek to do an obesity surgery. Of course, if you're looking for even more information, as always, feel free to contact us, and otherwise, thank you again for following us, and see you in the next video.